Corey fell in.
That went right up. Yeah. That went deep.
This is gonna be it for us, probably.
I'm alright. I'm fine.
Okay.
Let's finish this.
Okay.
Okay. January 15th, 2025. Here. There's a lot of muck.
Yeah.
Right out there.
Oh my god.
I was out there and it was like Atreyu and Artax back in Neverending Story. I was like, and I was like, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make it. Artax, you stupid horse. It was deep. Look at that.
You got mud all over you.
Look at that.
On the back.
It's up my pants.
Yep.
Occupational hazard.
Yep. You got
That's gonna make for a good
bunch of sludge on your back right now.
I do?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh god.
Oh. Like I pooied my pants?
Yeah, you pooed your pants.
Oh. Oh. Pooied my pants. Great.
Anyhow.
How did that happen? What did I do? Like flay it? Okay, anyways. This one's flowing. And it's warmer water because the ice isn't very thick there and I made me pooey my pants.